is up? Happy Friday and welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do a vlog style video because we are all still in quarantine and I'm just lounging around the house today, and I thought it'd be really fun if I did a thrift flip for you guys. I'm sure you guys have seen a lot of these thrift flip challenges or things like that, but basically what it is you find either something like in your house that you want to reuse, or you go to a thrift store and you want to recreate something with it. So it's really funny, actually. A couple months ago, it was freezing here, which now it's like gorgeous, and I found a really cool like shaped vase, but I didn't like the color of it. It was clear, and I saw this really cool thing where you can take Rust-Oleum, which is a type of brand of basically like a spray paint, and it's good to like repurpose things. And so I asked AJ, I was like, hey, like let's go to Home Depot and get this spray paint. And he made a good point of it's not gonna dry because it's in the middle of winter. So I've been holding on to this project for literally months, and it's finally beautiful outside. It's actually gonna dry, and I figured what would be a perfect way to do some quarantining and spray painting. So this is gonna be something that's really easy that you guys can do as well at home. I'm sure you can find something in your home to do this, like some old glasses or some old vases that you're just not feeling, or even like some old pottery that you just, again, love the shape of it but don't love the color. So I'm gonna kind of just walk you through the steps through that, and I will show you guys what you will need. So this is the vase that I grabbed from Goodwill. It's just a really cool, almost looks like a exaggerated like milk jug, and I only paid $2.99 for it. So this was a really cheap and really like cool just shape that I grabbed and picked up. Then this is the Rust-Oleum that I picked up. It's a paint and primer in one, and I grabbed it in the Warm Caramel. It goes on like wood, metal, plastics, and much more, so it's really good for indoor and outdoor, and it does say fast drying, so that's good to know. Probably could have done this earlier, but what a good time to save it for now. Then the last thing you're gonna need is some rubbing alcohol and just some pads or whatever you have. Alcohol is, I'm gonna take it all throughout this vase just so you can get all of the dust and just all the germs and everything else, so that way you will have a smooth canvas for when you spray the Rust-Oleum on the actual item. Rubbing alcohol and I cleaned out the inside and all around. I did that because it's just gonna stick better to the actual jar when there's no debris or anything on it. Okay, so this is what I have set up. You want to make sure you either put down newspaper or just some sort of barrier so that way it doesn't get on anything that you don't want to get on. I advise doing this outside. So I'm not telling you to not do it outside, but do it outside. Another tip while doing this is get a rag to go over your arm, so when you're holding it, the spray doesn't get up your arm and it just goes right on the rag. So get a rag that you do not really care about. So how I'm gonna spray is I'm just gonna start spraying in just light strokes, and let's see how this is gonna turn out. So I came back outside to check on the vase and it got really bubbly, so we're gonna have to try something different, and AJ suggested doing some sandpaper. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like currently. So it kind of got a little bubbly and drippy because I think I did it too much, as you can tell. So we're gonna take some sandpaper and just do a little bit of a different like texture, and then I'm probably gonna add some speckles on it, and I will show you guys how to do that in a minute. So we repainted it and it looks much better. So we're gonna let it sit out here for another maybe like 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do next to it. So next I'm gonna take a paintbrush and some white acrylic paint, and what this is gonna do is it's gonna add a speckle effect to the actual jar that we just painted. The technique that I'm gonna use for this is you are just literally gonna flick the paintbrush with the white paint onto this to give it that speckled effect. So I'm just gonna dip it in. Probably get like a good amount, like that. And you're just gonna start to flick. So this is how it turned out. It's all dry and ready to go. There were some spots that I did mess up on where the paintbrush accidentally hit it, but it actually looks kind of cool. So we're just gonna keep it like that. But I really like the way it turned out. You can literally use any colors you want, but this is just gonna go better with my house. So yeah, this is gonna be really cool on a shelf. So let's go ahead and get it inside and style it. Alright guys, here it is. I just went ahead and put it on the corner of my desk where I have my cute little candle and just my blue light glasses. But it looks so cute with the pampas grass in it. I was going to put an actual plant, but I decided that the pampas grass just adds a little bit more of like a neutral, like just neutral feel to it. But it looks so cute and I'm so happy how this turned out. DIYs are honestly something that I love to do, and I'm definitely going to be filming them so much more in the future, but this is something that was really easy that you can get your hands on, also super cheap, did not take me long at all. The only long process that it took was just the drying, and I had to kind of go in and sandpaper it again, but everything turned out great and it is so cute. If you guys like videos like these, please go ahead and give this a thumbs up, as well as comment below if you tried it yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post videos every Friday. Alright guys, that is everything. Hope you guys are staying safe and keeping yourselves entertained. Have a great weekend. I will see you next Friday. Bye guys.